Okay, okay. Oh, wow. Hindi ako nasa...
Si Mike. Mike.
Sa bahay ako sa pila.
Nicole. Si Nicole.
Ay, sige, sige.
Oh, maybe you can invite us, in Norway. Yeah, just to take a coffee. Ganun. Kakape lang na, pare. So ano pa?
How long is a normal route there for the average people? How long?
What's the question?
Like the normal route, how long is it? 1 kilometer?
Yung pasada, bro. Yung pasada. Paano ang ikot nyo dito? Gaano kalayo?
Depende sa pasahero.
Kaya hanggang saan ang boundary nyo?
Minsan mayroong pasahero na going to Lipa.
Lipa. Ilang kilometro ba Lipa from here?
Ang Lipa ata ay 15.
15 kilometers.
Mga
Yeah.
sige.
Allowed pa ng ano yun. Doon mismo sa SM Lipa na? SM Lipa. But not the national highway,
No, but
Yeah.
But that's also the thing, the bicycle driver always know the shortcut.
Yeah, okay. Iba sila. Drivers are the best lovers here in the Philippines. Tama? Ay, sorry. It's about love again.
Sweet lover.
Sweet lover. Yeah. So, 15 how many 15 kilometers. Yeah, radius. Nakakarating kayong Cuenca, yung the mountain. Ayun, they can reach the mountains, yeah. Cuenca. That's the boundary.
And then what, for example, what's up for go from here to there, and what's the price?
How much?
Or like normal?
Usually, normal lang.
Kapag dito, to SM, 350, gano'n.
350.
150.
How about foreigners, mga foreigners, ganon?
1K.
But that the government, di naman bawal. It's bawal. Right? But it's bawal. Yeah. Pero I suggest, hindi, usually, di ba, sabihin nyo na lang, sir, bahala na kayo. Parang,
and then 1K deal.
Yeah. Ganon. But usually, good drivers will tell you that, sir, you can pay me any amount. Yeah. It's no.
And then they pay 1K.
Yeah. So it's the same.
What's more the regular routes? Like how...
Yung may regular ba talaga?
Yes po, hanggang hindi lang po.
Straight lang.
Hanggang arko lang na yun.
Yung arco na yun. Tapos doon, iba ng tricycles doon. Toda.
Ito po, ipatapos
Yeah.
ako.
Yeah, pero wala kayong toda eh.
Meron po.
Meron. Hindi lang ito nakaano.
Kasi
Ito, that is yung Association of Tricycles.
Yeah.
So,
kapag po kami nakakomplete.
saan ang name ng toda dito?
Papatoda. Mataas na kahoy.
Matas na car toda. So baka ikaw president he is the president of the the tricycle associations here.
Kaya lang din nag-uniform kasi nga
Yan ang holiday eh. They have uniforms. But it's a holiday.
bukas naka-uniform.
Yeah. He's very strict. He's the president here. So, after the signage, there are different groups of tricycles.
Alright.
Yeah, it's divided. May division. Yeah. They have divisions. Yeah. Kamusta naman ang ang biyahe? How's the income, right? How's the income?
Merong 1.5
A day. Regular regular day. Tapos the gasoline, paano? 150. So safely, meron kang uwing 1,000. 1,000 a day. Net.
Tagaan nga lang talaga.
The whole day. Yeah. Expenses. Hello. Ang ganda ng panahon, no? It's beautiful weather, right? It's like Norway, In the Norway in the summer. Kasi yellow sa kanila eh. Yellow talaga dun.
Right now, maybe -2 degrees.
-2.
Snowing.
-2. Eh di yellow. Pag 0 degree, it will create snow na, right? 0.
Or ice, yeah.
Yeah, ice.
Cold.
Okay. What can you say about the electric bikes? Mga ganun issue. Diba? Merong nagpapasada.
Meron.
They have electric bikes here that
Lalo dyan.
Yeah.
Still electric?
Electric.
tricycle, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. And they're competing with them. Yeah.
Minimum pwede
So na kinakausap kayo.
Hindi na-apektuhan.
Yeah, di dapat magkausap-usap, no?
Pinababayan na rin natin.
Oh, they're allowing it because it's a small group only.
Hindi mo na sila makakarami.
Oo nga, ganun. Pero later on, dadami sila eh. Sana gawa ng rules.
Pero may bagong ordinance nung last hearing namin sa munisipyo. Pinagbawal po sa National Highway ang ito.
Oh, dapat naman.
Sa ganito po kasi okay na.
Much to...
Pinatupad na po nung December 1 na bawat e-bike. Ayaw!
But with the electric, how far can they go with the electric tricycle? And then how much? You say 100 peso a day for the fuel, but how much is the electric?
Do they say, pareho charge? In the electric?
Parang
Mas mura sila. The
hindi
electric
namin
is cheaper.
dahil hindi man din nakakautan namin mga driver siguro pares lang din.
They need the same
Kaya
price.
lang talaga nila. Wala.
But the problem, ano katagal magbiyahe yung full charge? Kaya.
Siguro, baka wala pong mag-apon sila. Kailangan na po sa ganyan kapag mag-up.
recharge.
Yeah, and then many hour charging.
Hindi na. Ako'y naman marig din eh.
Oh,
Ako'y liyo pa ka.
Hindi na, parit niya.
Ina, tulog na.
Tulog na.
Ayan na yung grupo dito. Ako naman dati rin nag-drinker before. Kahit nga umaga tayo eh. Pero, God, ako naman mga 8 years ago, naging Christian ako. Di nalis yung mga bisyo. Nakatulong din. Di, pwede isang family light, sasabayan kita. Ikaw, 10 bottles, me, 1 bottle. Nakatulong naman. What else?
Can we take a smaller ride? Can we take smaller ride? If you want.
Pwede
Sakay ka
kami,
dyan,
ikot. Ha?
Dito sa kabila.
Mike, ikot daw kami.
Sige.
Kami.
Otoy.
Sakay kami, yeah. You want to sit on the back or what? It's a,
50-50.
ha?
50-50.
Hindi ka pa certified tatla.
Okay. Kasi kita. Okay. You want inside or? Okay. So, yan. Pasyal pag may time. Mataas na kahoy. What do you want, Mikal? Do you want to take him back to the, no, want to walk again? You still? Yes, just walking. So, are we finished? Yeah, take pictures of you. Kaya lang. Tapos, send ko sa'yo. Ha? Ibigay ko sa'yo yung aking Facebook. Ay, okay, sorry. Si Mike, oh. Mike, video. Yes. Merry Christmas, ha. Huwag masyadong iinom, ha. Baka malasing. Shot lang. Yes. Yes. Video. Merry Christmas. Ito yung aking ano, ha. I-upload mo ito. Para mapanood nyo, ha. Cuenca, anong barangay ito?
Yan kuan, Barangay Dos.
Barangay Dos.
Mataas sa kahoy.
Mataas na kahoy. Hindi Cuenca. Okay, pero kita na malapit. Susunod na yan, Cuenca na. Hello, Merry Christmas. Oh, this is a store. Right here. The one here and this one.
This is all ice cream, the gelato. Try one with Americano.
Yung sa akin yung ano ba yung cappuccino, yung may creamer without ano yun, 'di ba? May cream yung cappuccino, may basta sa akin kailangan ko lang yung black na with creamer without sugar. Okay. Hot.
How about this?
Apa ng tatay mo? Ha?
Biyanan ko yan.
Biyanan mo. Dito na sila talaga. Hindi, ibig sabihin, siyempre, hindi naman sa kanila to. Pinatila sila ng may-ari. Ano may-ari nito? Batanggenyo din.
Hindi ko lang siya.
He's not sure. Pero kayo, gano'n ka na kayo katagal dito? Biyanan mo.
Ako,
4 years only. 4 years. Yeah. 4 years.
From here.
Sino ba? Kami muna. Sige. Di Marlon, ha?
Maybe more close to the store.
I'll take picture
One solo?
Sige, tapos send ko sa'yo, ha? Picture na ka solo para may remembrance ka to Daddy Marlon, ha? My YouTube channel. Okay? Yeah? Okay? I will take photos of you both. Nandun ko kayong dalawa. Sige, asawa siyang pamangkin ko. Sa Norway yan. Ready? 1, 2. If you want to check it, okay. It's not in white, ano yan. No, it isn't. Okay, yan lang. Hindi ko na. Daddy Marlon, ha. Para isa-send ko sa'yo na masyal kami. Kumain ng tricycle. Hindi, ano ka sa'yo. Sana. Okay. Stray dogs. And ano these are puppies, ha. New members. Tamo, sila. They're living in these trees. Oh. Nalapit to. Yes, mission accomplished, ha. Mission accomplished. kaya no, where are the snakes? We need them now, ha? Okay. Mission accomplished.